In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a meeting in Google Meet. If you're the one organizing or even just participating, knowing how to effectively close out a session is crucial. Maybe you've wrapped up a presentation or concluded a brainstorming session. Whatever the purpose, we'll make sure you know exactly how to end the meeting smoothly. So let's dive in. First things first, we need to navigate to Google. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Google homepage, you know the one, with its simple design and doodle of the day that sometimes catches your eye. Once you're there, take a look in the upper right corner of the page. You should see a cluster of small squares. That's what we'll be clicking on next. These small squares form the icon for Google Apps. Click on them and a menu will drop down displaying all the different applications Google offers. You'll see familiar icons like Gmail, Drive, and of course, Meet. Click on the Meet icon to open it, and this will take you straight to the Google Meet landing page. Here, you have the option to join a meeting, but today we'll focus on starting one. To do that, click on New Meeting. You'll get a small menu that pops up offering different ways to start a session. For our purposes, let's choose Start an Instant Meeting. This option is ideal if you're looking to quickly set up a virtual room without any scheduled planning. Clicking it will whisk you into your very own meet room. Now you're in the meeting. But remember, our end goal today is to close one out gracefully. Once the meeting is over and it's time to part ways, look for an icon that resembles a phone hanging up. This is the Leave Call button, usually located at the bottom center of your screen. Click this button once you're ready to end the call. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully ended a video meeting in Google Meet. Sometimes it might feel abrupt to just end things with a click if you're the meeting host. So it's always a great practice to give a heads up, like saying something along the lines of, "All right, everyone, I'm going to end the call now." A verbal sign-off provides a sense of closure and assures everyone is ready. Thank you so much for watching today's guide on ending a meeting in Google Meet. Make sure you're familiar with not just starting meetings, but also wrapping them up effectively. It's an essential skill for any digital collaboration. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might need a little extra guidance, and until next time, keep connecting.